Nigerian man where they court trial now, my people, he don't come outside. In fact, he matter just land now, see they hot. They say this man get trial for court, oh, and the reason why they carry and go court now because the money where they involve and the allegations they plenty. They say corruption. In fact, the corruption, he passed the word itself, corruption. And this man now, because of the trial, he don't go pretend say he get spinal cord injury. Hi! Nollywood, shame on you. If you not see acting, person wear bath, wear cloth, rub cream, rubbing leg, meaning say bend down, he even plug in phone, charge am. Oh, my people no be smarting. After this man dress finish, all the things we do by himself for inside room, he come outside. Una need to see about, if I'm not even the mistake, self, I think like 8 or 10 people. Now they hold this man so that he go waka. Person will rub cream by himself. Oh. Now so they come hold am. And the man don't know say person go plant a CCTV camera for inside in room. Hey, make una just see how God they work. I say I go bring and come outside because see they don't too use us play. So I beg join me, make we watch the video.
Okay, just watch. It's a very funny drama. Nigeria, these are the people killing this country. Watch him now. You can see him robbing cream. This man wants to go to court, and in the court, he'll pretend as if he's about to die. Watch him. You see, he's standing now. I don't know his name, but he has a court case to answer. Court case for corruption. Watch him now. He's charging his phone. See him. See him now. See him acting as if he's paralyzed. See the belt on his waist. Look at him now. Look at him. God have mercy. Just look at the same man that was bending and rubbing cream. Now he's pretending as if he doesn't have legs again. Criminals. God will expose all of you.
Hey, Obia. I've been waiting to be the title of this movie. I watched him before, but I don't forget. Wait to be the. Hey! This man deserves Nollywood award winner. I wear our fellow actors. Make una come here because we need this one. If una put them for one of una movies, una don't blow. In fact, una don't say finish. He bend down, rub cream. He even I not just understand. Even after the court this thing, he still go lead prayer. Una know how these people they pray now, they bend down, they come up, they bend down. Person will say spinal cord injury. Now you now just watch like that. Hey. I'm not no. This is the way they do me. Wait, now I can't imagine something. Imagine saying that like this, they play us all the politicians' tapes. No, just imagine. All of us we go just the faint, wake up, faint, wake up, faint, wake up. In fact, things where we not even they imagine now, waiting we go just they see. Buhari and in people. They don't open door to many calamities for this country. Many calamities. And as this matter be like this, we already know how Nigeria be. Even if they play this tape now for that judge eye to see, he go still collect bribe. They go set am free before you know I don't dey waka. Bribery and corruption for this country. Even they pray. Now that one even shock me. After you lie finish. You can't lead prayers. Nordness. Now nordness be the problem with this country. Now in fact, now them they kill us. See them. Tomorrow now person go come they defend them. Hey, this one no. Hey, that one no. No, una don't see them. FBI. Up till now, FBI according to them they say they never get the man name. they no fit give us a name now because they never get am. FBI. Upon all your training, qualifications and things, you see they find as criminal as this act is. Una see they find name. If na normal person now, una go don't bring the person out. Even the color of him boxers, una go bring her outside. But now, because now, hi, Chineke, no, the way God go judge una. Anyhow, by that time, if the world never end, I no say I go dey heaven. From heaven, and there I go dey watch una judgment. The way God go judge una. See wetin person dey do. See wetin person dey do. Assuming this tape no even leaks now. Assuming the tape no leak. By now, we for even the pity am. Say, hey, he get injury, oh. Hey, this one, oh. Hey. Abeg, if you know say now you plant that camera, kudos. I give you hand. If be like say person say we plant that camera, I don't tire for this man lies. Now they show say no be the first time, no be the second time. My brother, well done for doing this. No, because see, many of una now go dey talk say it's against the law. They have to sue the person that planted the camera. Na so na life be. No, I know they support, at least they no catch am naked. But my people, think of the fact of, like, I don't even know how I even talk this thing. The number of times when these people don't lie to us, chop our money. Now they concerned about camera. If we don't know how serious and critical this case is, we are not going to think of camera. We are not going to think am. These politicians, people in government, in fact, they don't too use us do many things. Nigeria will always be Nigeria. Funny enough. Nigeria will always be Nigeria. Because I don't think I say at least, if now other countries now, they supposed to bring medical reports. But Nigeria will always be what? Nigeria. This one go bribe doctor now. He go bring a medical reports. They go come. I beg. See, I tire for this country. See wetin person using hand cook. Politicians. Hey! God, you dey watch oh. But me, the one way concern me now, Baba. You know, say you are my father. I trust you. In fact, you do wonders when we don't even expect the wonders. God of wonders, God of thunder. Hey! You see that man? As he don't take am upon himself, say he gets spinal cord injury. Father, give him that spinal cord injury. Yes, so he must have that spinal cord injury because nobody said now he himself they call out upon himself. Abi Ungwanu, he go get am. Very, very important. So my people, I don't come expose this one because I know say many of una never hear and una never see with my eye. Wait till una guys talk concerning this case. Drop on there, and as usual, I go reply on one by one. Subscribe if not, you go to miss matters like this, and share this video so that our people go know say now waiting they share now. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story.